Turn them on, get your money's worth out of them. Okay, so here I am on Soapstone Basin. And I'm bored. I mean, this road really is just a dirt road, that's all. A graded dirt road. And this is about as good as the scenery gets. You know, it's just native wildlife, natural shit. All waiting for the snow to come and stick. But we might be a couple weeks away from that. Okay, here's my new deal. My new MO, off-roading. When I get off-road, I'm talking about where you are legally off-road. And for me, that's pretty much any time that there's no asphalt or concrete. You got off-road lights. You pay good money for them. You rarely get to use them. Even though it's daytime, turn them on. It's legal to turn them on during the day. One, they do look good. Okay? Two, they're not going to help you see any better going down the road, but they are going to let you be seen by other people who may not be paying that close of attention. It's kind of like that high visibility vests that OSHA makes, I think, just about everybody on construction wear. I mean, even if you're a plumber, you got to wear a high visibility vest because you're working in a toilet closet. Turn them on, get your money's worth out of them. Hey, granted, there's times and reasons when you're off-road and you're miles away from no one that you don't want to be seen. Well, you got to switch, turn them lights off. Leave them on. One thing I want to think is, if someone can see me from like that far mountain over there, and they can follow me, and they can see I'm kind of heading their way, well, if they're up to no good, that gives them time to put their shit up, put their clothes on, whatever it is they're doing, and I don't have to see anything. I don't have to judge them. I don't have to get involved. Here's what I kind of like to do. When the truck's starting to get dirty, dusty, fingerprinty, you know you're going to be needing a wash soon. But it's supposed to start snowing tonight, I think. So the snow will wash off a lot of that dirt. But right now, it just looks cool. I mean, I'm just saying, It's cloudy. You spent a lot of money on lights and installation and time. Oh, I gotta show you. Did I show you these? See, it's got a 3x3 lighting, little LEDs. Let's see, I don't want to get blinded. But yeah, it's got 3 in the middle and then 3. It's not a coincidence. I planned it that way to match the dice down here. Back on the pavement. Oh shit, I forgot I had my off-road lights on road. Use those lights, just don't use them on the road. Don't use them on the road at night in your neighborhood. God damn, I live on a corner. I see you do it. That's it. I'm out of here. See ya.